Hey guys, this is Mr. H. I am going to go over question number 8 from the Algebra 1 January 2026 Regents exam. They've given us an exponential function, v of t equals 500 parentheses 1.08 raised to the t power, and they want to know what's the original price of the ring. So they're just testing whether you understand what the y-intercept is, where the y-intercept is, what it means. My rule is whenever they give you a function, graph it. Usually there's something on the graph that will help you. You still have to understand a couple of things, but I've already entered the function here. You don't see it, and that's part of what I wanted you to see. So I have already entered the function, but you don't see it. Now, when you're using the TI Inspire, if you enter a function, if you're in a relation, enter a relation, and you do not see it, don't panic. Just go menu 51. And menu 51 will always try to find whatever you've entered. And usually, if it has a y-intercept, it's going to find the y-intercept most of the time, right? And that's what we've got here. This point is the y-intercept. Now, if you know y-intercepts are always the beginning amount, the original amount, the starting amount. It's always going to be something like that. So in this case, it's telling you that the y-intercept is 500. So you should say, oh, that's what the original cost of the ring was. And then what's happening is the ring is appreciating, I don't know what the time, every year by 8%. And how do I know it's increasing by 8%? Because all I have to do is subtract $1 from it, and that tells me it's going up by 8% every year. If this was 96 cents, I would do the same thing. I would subtract $1, and it would tell me that it's going down by 4% every year. But in this case, since it's over $1, I know it's increasing, and it's increasing by 8% every year. Of course, this question isn't asking that. It just wants to know what's the original price. The original price is the y-intercept. The y-intercept is 500. We're done. Now, you don't need the graph. You don't need the graph here if you understand the format of an exponential function. But let's say you forgot. I'm telling you, grab the function, go graph it. Menu 51 tells you the y-intercept. The y-intercept happens to be 500. So hopefully you can connect. Oh, y-intercept is 500. So that's the original price. If you somehow forgot. But that's it. Try to use all your resources when you're taking the test. There's a lot of ways to get answers to these questions. So don't limit yourself to one way. That's what I like to see in my students. I like to see, can you go left and get the answer, or can you go right? And can you meet in the middle sometimes? All right, so I'm going to stop, post this. Hopefully you got this right. All right.